Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy, luxurious stitch scarf. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free. Or on Etsy, HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. To make a scarf, you could start with chain 17 or chain 19. So you start with your slip knot, and you're going to work your foundation chain to the number that you would like for the project that you are making. To make a chain, all you do is pick up the yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook. Now when you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this stitch, you're going to make a double crochet. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 of the loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. You're going to go ahead and you're going to work all the way across your foundation chain, making 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And that is row 1. Row 2, you're going to chain 1 and turn. And that chain 1 will count as a single crochet, so don't work into this stitch, work into the next stitch and single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. For a single crochet, insert into the hook, pick up the yarn and pull it through, then pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops on the hook. So go ahead and single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Like that. For the next row, you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and turn. And that's going to count as a double crochet. So now you're going to make a front post triple crochet around the double crochet 2 rows down. So that's your row of single crochet, that's the row of double crochet. To make a front post triple crochet, you're going to yarn around the hook 2 times. Now come down to that double crochet, go under the post, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So that's your front post triple crochet, and that's the stitch that you have skipped to work down here. In the next stitch, make a double crochet. Going to make a front post triple crochet. This is the stitch you worked in. You follow it down. This is the double crochet. You're going to work under that post and complete the front post triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. And that's your front post triple crochet, and that's the stitch that you skipped. So you go to the next stitch and make a double crochet. You're going to repeat that across the row. Front post triple crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next. Front post triple crochet in the next. Double crochet. And you're going to double crochet in the last stitch. Like that, you have your front post triple crochet worked in the row 2 rows down. Now you're going to chain 1 and turn. That chain 1 takes the place of this stitch, single crochet, in each stitch all the way across the row. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. And that's going to take the place of the first stitch. You're going to double crochet in the next stitch. Make a front post triple crochet in the next double crochet, 2 rows down, and it is going to be between those previous front post triple crochet. So you're going to go down to that double crochet in between those 2 triples, and you're going to make a front post triple crochet. And that's the stitch that's behind the front post triple crochet. So you're going to work in the next stitch, double crochet. Front post triple crochet, 2 rows down behind that double crochet. And that's the stitch that's behind, double crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to repeat that across the row. End of the row, you will make a double crochet and a double crochet in the last stitch. So the ends of your rows, you'll have 2 double crochet. At the beginning of the rows, you always have 2 double crochet as well. So you're just going to repeat those rows for the remainder of the pattern. Chain 1 and turn takes the place of the first stitch, single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And then you'll chain 3 and turn, 1, 2, 3, and you'll make a double crochet, and then you just start repeating double crochet in every stitch that's above that front post triple crochet, and make a front post triple crochet in every double crochet between the front post double crochet stitches. Just continue that way until your project is the length that you would like. And I've worked a few more rows for you, and that's how that will look. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet this luxurious scarf. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.